Hey there, folks! Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of science and technology. Today, we're taking a journey inside the cell, exploring the bustling world of Moto and his friends. So let's picture this. Moto, our fearless adventurer, lands gracefully on a giant strand of actin filament. His confident swagger is on full display as his bell jingles with every step. Surrounding him, glowing Moto Cyclin variants regulate movement on the microtubule highways. The background is teeming with animated organelles, adding to the vibrant atmosphere. But don't forget about our curious cat, who watches all this with a gleam in his eyes. It's a fascinating world, isn't it? Thank you for joining us on this exciting adventure. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of cells, specifically the Moto. So let's hop right in and explore this incredible microcosm together. Inside the cell, our hero, the Moto, lands gracefully on a giant strand of actin filament. His confident adventurer's swagger is intact as his bell jingles merrily. All around, glowing Moto Cyclin variants regulate movement on microtubule highways. The background teems with animated organelles, creating a vibrant and bustling environment. Meanwhile, the cat watches, its eyes gleaming with curiosity as it observes this microscopic world. It's truly a sight to behold, isn't it? Thanks for joining us on this journey into the cell world. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring. Back to our exciting series, Inside the Cell World. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of cellular mechanics, where our intrepid explorer, Moto, lands gracefully on a giant strand of actin filament. Moto's confident adventurer's swagger is on full display as his bell jingles with every step. Surrounding him, glowing Moto Cyclin variants regulate movement on microtubule highways, while animated organelles buzz around the background. But the star of the show is the cat, whose eyes gleam with curiosity as it watches our hero's every move. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the microscopic world. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting cellular adventures. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.